Yes. Una welcome, a good evening. I know see when I thought when they call laugh me. They say I not sabi speak Oyibo. Since when I call learn Oyibo now, Benin not they hungry me to speak again. One I call push me go learn Oyibo. Now for leave me for the one when I dey in treaty. Una for leave in trade for the one way dey for Benin language. Una no gree o. You know sabi speak Oyibo, lunatic doesn't speak broken English o. Smota go enter correct English. Una welcome. God go bless una for morning, go bless una for evening. All of una wey dey for years so na so good thing na go dey do for una house. Na so good thing na go dey see for una house. But one thing when I could tell una make una no dey talk lie o, lie no good. Truth is better pass for life. Like person like me, if I dey try to talk to person, the person no dey hear, me go to start to vex for the person. If you be my friend or you be near person to me, you be my wife, you be my brother, I dey try to use my own wisdom or wetin I be to dey correct you, you no gree, I go dey run for you, I go start to vex for you. Na be my own. So this evening, wetin I come for this evening, una know say this life. In one of our Benin parable, very strong. I no fit talk am for Oyibo. One of our Benin parable, very strong. And that our Benin parable, I don't know how to talk am for Oyibo. If person dey wey sabi talk am for Oyibo, he go call me, may tell me. They say a boy tell no sevedo. Now juju dey take talk wetin dey happen for Benin. I just dey see some people the way they run mad, they throw mad, they run mad. A person like me now, all wetin I dey find dey with me. Person pull life for my head. A boy tell me no sevedo. Now juju dey take talk wetin dey happen for Benin. Una no see the time when people carry my pikin, they say I no fit greet my pikin. I come out, a boy tell me no sevedo. Some people can't draw wahala for inside like Monica Ato Ariabos. He can't say na Imati dey talk. Imati dey talk. Room 112, room 113, room 114. He can't draw a body for inside. He can't draw body for inside poto. The poto night dey so. The poto night dey so. They say if pikin don dey grow, e go dey look something they do. I can't see most of our Benin people, they know they look something they do. And most of the way they not train for house. If they talk poor. And they say they sabi read though. They say they go school. But the matter when they come out for their master test, it could be like say a caterpillar match poto. It go throw away for everywhere. And they say they sabi read though. They say they know how to read though. Me we don't know how to read. I guess sense pass all of them. So wait I come for this evening, when I share the video, may go viral, may reach viral and if today be the first time, I know say I know they take for live video. 5 minutes, 6 minutes now they do. Any word when I talk, any parable when I throw away. If you be Benin man way they there, or you be broken man way they there. May you translate and may you take the one way good, may you leave the one way bad. Now spirit they lead me. I don't feel come out just now. Spirit just say when I cut and you say the spirit still say when I come out again. When I pick it with the thought truth, we know they stand for lie. Una say one certain time when I cry come out, see wetin I dey find, the thing reach my hand. Una see don smart, where do smart, where Monica put life for head, Monica Atowari, Ambrose. When he put life for Don Sumati head, he said to my son, Don Sumati go fuck another man wife, he no be today start. Don Sumati come out, he go carry a boko. Because a boy at you know say do. Like this case you, if you bring him, if I do, Ojuju may work. If I not do, moment from now, people where they talk and follow me, they go carry for inside the Ojuju. He go bring gun, put her for ground, see her for camera for Benin. If I do, me Ojuju ask me. If I not do, if I from now, people will go talk and me give me Ojuju card gen. As me see her before. Any parable when I throw it, make una analyze them all. So, una good evening, my people, una me, una brother, new generation prophet Atiti, we come from Edo State, we not far for Benin. Edo State, we not far for Benin. My village not far for Benin. 20 minutes drive a day from my village, the village where they call Eveleka. I go thank Monica for only one today. When they told me say I know they speak Oyibo when I go learn broken English, but Monica na party head. They say you know sabi speak Oyibo, no nothing. Now I start to learn. I can't learn. I can't speak in broken English. But Monica na party head. Na head where you go follow waka, everything go spoil. So this evening, wetin I can't tell you now, my people, in our place, I hear say the video, I not see the video, and I not say I know the look video. They say the movie see wetin the movie talk. And the movie talk say they call and you know go. I not see the video. I the 5 person will go send that for me. One boy yesterday tell me say he go send that for me. The boy not send that for me. Now I not see person will send that for me. But message when I want to say go give her the movie now. If they call am, not be Ojuju place they for call am, not be that first house place where they go carry 10 people go that day. Umagbane do nenemi where they call carry 10 people go. Not be there. Anybody where they send I read there they for send. If you talk that word, you come out, come apologize. Na very bad statement. I don't see the video. If I see the video, I know the way I for take give you. You know, say me no get friend. Me not run about. I tell you all the time. What is good is good. I don't say the lie. If I see the video now, since yesterday I find the video, I don't go find your profile. I don't know the video for inside. And I don't know the topic when they write. If they say me see the video, the way I for take give you this evening, I don't find the video since yesterday. I don't see them. They say see before you talk. I hear so many people, they see many live videos, they do them. Say you talk am, but I see they find the video for now till tomorrow. I will find out before I can give you. If I give you that one, not say we will not be friend or will not be brother, will not be from Edo State. I have to tell you the truth. Where you make mistake, I will tell you. Where you make it, I will tell you. Waiting make you vex, go talk that kind of thing. I go listen to the video. If na waiting make you vex, go talk that thing. If na to come and analyze and correct people, the way you take put am, e no good, you go lead down, come beg. You go lead down, beg the old people. Now waiting cause am, waiting happen for inside, then I go look. Not be waiting they say, if person dey vex, we dey pray where our mouth no go put us for trouble. Where our mouth no carry us go where we not supposed to go. That's why I say this live video when I come. I told myself not be presenter, I be on. Before I do anything when I do, I make sure I say I do, I not go get blame. Now matter I go cause when you go talk that thing. And if you talk that thing, you know your chop, but if you for say you come and they talk that kind of matter. Wait till make you talk that matter, you go tell me if I see that video. If I see the matter where it generate, where make you go talk that word, I will still tell you, I still come out for life. You do not be sorry for say talk this word. In anybody where they call for Papa house, may not refuse them. Like person like me today, if they call me for Papa house, if me they go, I go buy almost like 20 cow go. Cow, because now good things say they call me for there. My papa no know there. If they young by mistake call me say, Atiti, then they call you now. Even though a person where they sweep for my papa house, even though a person where they sweep, you call me now. I will say where you say na there for the coming. I say I want to put up for video go on. When you show me the environment. If not there, whose date you tell me the date. Before the date, me don't reach there. Yes, oh, give Oba mana Mayati, oh, no one, oh, Bako, okay, me down, you know, okay, me see, you know, ya, when he. Oh, when he made and that's me. When me, they all come in and say, come, I they go quick. I go rob native shock, I go rob down. If I don't get money, I'll find money, borrow. If I read there, not be this smart, want a judge. Oh, wait till I go judge her. They know they keep person put. If they can't go person go court for Europe. If they ask you question, you go judge them. If you wrong, they'll give you funds. If you not wrong, they'll tell me you go. I don't know where you come. They talk that kind of word, so you not go. It's very bad statement. I never see him. If I see him, but they pray me as I can't do this video now. May they send that video for me before tomorrow. So anybody waiting for outside there, we say they put life for your head. You know, they prolong this matter to the tail. If I were you, they say I born, now they tell they talk waiting the apple for Benin. It a female the Guagbe woman. I know where you see go so, now the right way you see go so. But in life, anything you are doing, do it well, do it sincere. To the public, to the world to say. So, una good evening, my brother, na parable I true. So, I beg, make una no verse, na me una pikin, where they sell Abama DT. We have Abba root. Any root one, a type of fruit where they find for vibrous all of the day. I know if they analyze every day, but I need to remember una. The one where they can't believe everything, the one where they make a day like this, is I need to remember, and I don't feel the talk on video because I thought say I go cut and so to it. I'll cut out for about now. Tomorrow I can't do that one. If you need that for anything where you need, if you go TV to a church, it will heal you. But if God not lead you to the right person, where God say go heal your sickness or where go heal your gloria, you know go heal. Now the truth of the matter be that. Or we pray for God to lead us to our helper. If you don't go to that place before you know work, when you control new generation, you go see as it go be. That's why they tell you. You know me say you, but you know say this. You know, if anybody where they call Owena, they say a bad person. But me and Owen, we know the key goat, we know the key fowl. If I tell you say I did behind you, I stand by you, I no go disappoint you. Now so me I be. They say if I tell you, say, I deal with you, I deal with you. If I tell you, say, it's over, it's over. So, my Benin people, now parable, I told you, no, say, I not sabi speak Benin again. Since when I speak broken English, I can't be perfect every day. So, I want you to speak at least for 2 years, one for perfect. Since I be want go America, I be want go London, go learn or you go school, they say, they not enemy, not agree. For this social media, I go learn the broken English, I go learn the grammatically. So if you get her for CNN, maybe you bring her for also. If you not bring her for CNN, you carry juju at the same thing. The time we CNN no back on with the carry juju for our place. That's why they put her for Benin parable. Now juju the day talk with the apple for Benin. So una good evening. Una want to look the minutes because I don't want me past 10 minutes. I want you to call deliver. Any I tell you deliver the message, make una take on. I beg if now today be your first time of coming here, may you subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show. No go start what we would do. Now if we do now so would they do them. That I promise you now the old Benin. This evening now the people wey dey speak broken English o, wey dey speak Benin o, all of una go dey for life and you come out every evening. But I dey tell una wey be women, the responsible women, no be like women like Susie o. The responsible women, no be like women like Susie. The responsible one. If my YouTube is if I don't enter YouTube before 7 o'clock in the evening, make sure say you cook with your husband. Make sure you put food for your husband to table. Not be all like Susie where they talk like where they cover everywhere, go talk like full everywhere. Not be like that kind of wow. Muna take off on her husband or the husband not dey for outside the girl. Una no say husband not the wife plenty, husband not the but with the good men, we dey look for the better one. The man like us, if we dey for public now, our friends dey for public, our friends dey talk to us. Our friends dey talk to us. Our woman wey we marry, we know the want me make sure one word for inside the talk. Now we be that kind of discipline man. Me with my friend go dey talk now. Woman when I marry go call the make sense for inside. Is to train, they not train you. So you get the type of woman where we illiterate, we will not go school. We will not go school. Get the type of woman where we define our taste. Not be as me they do live video, so my woman not official live. If you not official my live video, other people go to share my live video. I cannot take you as a woman. If other people can share my live video, woman women they follow the worker, for instance, you know if they share my live video, I cannot take you as a woman. They say thief, they marry thief. 419, they marry 419. So na party boy true. So na good evening. God go bless you now. Okay, as I did, I be native daughter. I tell myself be native daughter. One woman no fit call they drag me come off for work when I want to. If you say you no fit marry native daughter, you go find pastor. Me go find the woman where go follow me do native daughter thing. If you don't understand my type of native daughter, I know they keep fowl, I know they keep goat. If you be person, you do me something, I go do you the thing, you go suffer and I go leave you because I know the key. My queen, my angel. Hello, my angel.
Boo, 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 yeah.
Hello, my angel, my queen of my life. Orion, man.
Boo.
My sweetheart, I did for live video, my queen.
I know, I did with
Success of my life.
Boo.
My queen, my sugar, my chocolate. Choco. How did you?
They make people happy, Jerry.
I think they make people they happy.
God bless.
That's why I tell you, Namona subscribe, go Prophet until you talk to.
Subscribe, Mona subscribe.
Help me tell them.
Touch the notification bell and put the like. Right here, my phone is there. Mona not let this YouTube come down or this Facebook. Mona put like.
Okay.
Boo.
What?
I love you, my brother. God bless you. Right on.
Thank you.
Putin, right on for Putin.
Amen.
God bless you.
Yeah, Mona, help me. They tell them to subscribe to Prophet Attitude Top Show.
Subscribe to Prophet Attitude YouTube channel.
No, Top Show.
Top Show.
And I with you on top now. Now you generation now.
Top show. Put I like your tea. Put it.
Look at what I tell you. Press the notification bell and press the following. And press the I like your thing. Press the notification bell.
Notification bell.
And share the video. Let the video go viral.
Share the video and let the video go viral.
Hey, God will bless you. Where my pikin?
We did.
Where your daddy? Where our daddy?
Our daddy don't sleep.
Greet her for me.
Okay.
The peace of the Lord be with you. Okay, now bye, sister. Thank you.
See you. Ciao.
Okay. So now so we go dey do am. God go bless una for money, he go bless una for evening. You know say I know they take for live video. This is when I did here since. That's why they tell una the press the notification bell, the press the like your team, the press the follow in case anytime when I come, una phone go make new generation.com. That's why they see they think they can sing for this my beautiful queen. This my beautiful queen, they give me flower every day. He call me for message at that day. He call me, I say me show me face. He say no go show me face. He go they give me flower. He go they give me a partition. He go they give me pee. May God not let me carry pee. You know see na so flower they bring. Anyway, I should not agree when I see your face. God go bless you for money. He go bless you for everything. The good things when they behave with the good things when they do something for life, he go reach your hand for money. He go reach for everything. He go reach for night. Any man wish, any woman wish, any mommy water, they go to get party for you for money. They go to get party for evening. Anything where they lay your hand upon, now glory to your life, favor to your life. Now so it go be for you, my sister. Now no say I know sabi read name. And for the read your name, they tell you now. But any prayer, I see what you they bring for me. As they bring her for me, favor go they follow you, anointing go they follow you. Now wait till I be, I tell you now. So God will bless you for money, go bless you for evening. So all the old people when I throw away for years since, I don't throw away. Una take them for inside. Take or do something. The one way good, muna throw. The one way good, muna take and the one way not good, make una throw away. Now no say do it all dark. 1 o'clock now. I want sleep now. I beg, make una not vex, make una share the video, make it dey viral. Muna press the notification bell, muna press the like or thing, muna subscribe go Prophet Atiti Top Show. So that what we can do, more we can start on. Una go see at that time the way we go go small. You know, say if we don't go that time, many Benin people that they mitigate. Anything where you bring come out, Benin people say na that one I'm money deal. They don't say no, they don't know say na Baba God they do one for person. So more time now, you see all those fruit, many people start to sell root now. So that's why to when I reach so God will bless you for money. He will bless you for evening. So Mona subscribe with Prophet Atitimo, go start what they do. If we don't start to do them, people come every evening, people come they enjoy themselves, people they laugh. You see everybody will come they mitigate. So na good night. I don't throw away the parable when I want to away since I don't throw away. The one when I come there now, they make my people the jolly, they happy, they get that you go do. Oh, man! Sister, I beg you for public. You're coming for video call when I see your face. The way you take they give me something, wait till the right comment all the time. I dey gbadu you. God will bless you. Only that I pray for everybody. All of una wey come here today. That man wey dey put hand dey cover face, I dey see dey see am. Na so better thing dey locate and dey go. All of una wey dey put everything wey una dey put to comment wey una dey put to, God go bless una for morning. He go bless una for evening. If I don't go YouTube, I know they block anybody. Everybody, you cannot do what everybody will like in life. You know, if you do everything, we go please everybody. So, even though you write back comment, you write comment, they say that people why and I be mirror. If people where they look the message, comment where you write for me, they look say that the better people. Where the people where they write better thing, I better pass. Now I play the pass the one with the right fake thing. They will not say that you wake on the right fake thing. I know better. And I be useless somebody. So, hello my mommy.
Hello.
Oriome. Eliboku. Ije Wato. My sweet mommy. I dey grant you today. You be my yowa.
Hey.
You be my yowa from today. You be my yowa, my mommy.
Hey, congratulations.
God will bless you, mommy. God will bless you.
Yeah, you too.
You be my sweet mommy when I dey dream. If I dey sleep, I dey dream they see you for morning. Me and you, we live as one.
So, I need Atiti longer.
What? If you want to do my coronation for a yoke of that, you go follow me go.
7 cow.
EJ, 7 cow now you want to give me? 7 cow.
7 cow.
Thank you, mommy.
Cow.
Thank you, mommy. If I want to my coronation, 7 cow now you want to give me?
7 cow. 7.
Oh, thank you, mommy. God will bless you. Anything where you put on, it go better for you for money, it go better for you for evening. Thank you, mommy. Do? I did like you one round up, so I one round up. I don't control small parable.
I know. I didn't work.
Thank you, mommy. Thank you, mommy. Tomorrow now, yeah?
Okay. Bye.
Good night. So, God will bless all my people for money. God bless you for evening. Yourself, all of you, put like I love. We never start. We never enter YouTube. Oh. We never go YouTube now. You put like I love. God will bless you for money. God bless you for evening. Now, so he reach this evening. One touch sharp. Mona take this one sleep this evening. I beg. One favor when I need for now. Mona tell you number here. Mona make the video viral. Mona make the video viral. Make them go subscribe for Prophet Atiti Talk Show. What we want to start, more constant. Many people go benefit for it. Many people go enjoy it. Now maybe new generation. Now maybe new generation. Not be other body you. So now so I drop and reach. Now good night. God be the peace of love be upon you people. Happy weekend. Sleep well.